Medicine is frequency. And now this portable device is here today to assist your body to naturally achieve a balanced state, a state called homeostasis. Tens of thousands of testimonials and happy customers in over 50 countries have made this the #1 terahertz frequency quantum technology device of its kind. It has been called the wave of light, the light of life in God's waveband. It is simple to use. Spending just minutes a day, you'll begin to feel more energy as your cells begin to energize and repair. The old cells leave and new life begins. There are 8 steps to better health, and the IteraCare device provides these benefits: eliminating unhealthy cells, activating inert cells, increasing self-healing, clearing of the meridians and your lymph, improving.
Hello, magandang hapon sa ating lahat mga ka-members. Nagbabalik tayo para pag-usapan natin ang pagbabago ngayon sa annual confirmation ng ating mga SSS pensioners. Okay? Kasama dito yung mga senior citizens na may pension. Okay? So lahat ng mga dapat mag-aakop. Alright. Okay, so umpisahan na natin, but ano nga pala, kapag bago ko pa lang sa ating channel, subscribe, like, share, and click the notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng mga video uploads natin. Okay, now today, ang sabi dito, attention SSS pensioners, no? So retirement pensioners residing in the Philippines who are 80 years old and above will now also be required to comply with the annual confirmation of pensioners ACO program effective March 2024. So ito yung mga pagbabago, no? So mga retirement pensioners dyan, mga senior citizens, no, nandito sa Pilipinas na 80 years old and above, no, kailangan na daw ngayon mag-comply na sa ACOP, no, Annual Confirmation of Pensioners, ACOP. Alright, so para malaman pa na andyan pa kayo, no, siguro hindi natin alam kung anong nakita ni SS kung bakit binago ito. Okay? Alright, so tingnan dito natin kung ano-ano ba yung mga pwedeng gagawin, no, gawin ng mga pensioners ko. So una, okay, so with manner of compliance requirements, so papaano, no, with personal appearance or visual confirmation over the counter at SS branch office, video conferencing in SSS prescribed internet platform. So MS Teams, pag meron kayo, kailangan nyo i-download niyan pagka hindi ka pwedeng pumunta sa branch or over the counter sa SSS branch or office. So kapag hindi, mag-conferencing pwede yan. Pero platform nila, no? Like for example, MS Teams, Zoom, or ano bang platforms ginagamit nila, no? So, makipag-ugnayan lang sa SSS. Now, next one, without personal appearance or visual confirmation. Pwede din pala sa email, no? Sa mail, pwedeng mail, no? Snail mail, email, filed through guardian or duly authorized representative. Pagka hindi mo kaya, no? Pwede naman ang iyong kilala kamag-anak mo, anak mo, apo mo, no? All right. Others, as may be determined by SS, no, certified by representatives of select banks. All right. Others dito, all surviving spouse pensioners, no, mga surviving spouse pensioners and dependent children who are 18 years old and above, no, whether under guardian or not, no, shall provide their SS number and that of the deceased member during compliance. Okay. All right. If not an SS member, they shall apply for online issuance of SS number through the SSS website as an existing pensioner with corresponding registration and the SSS portal. Okay. Next one. So, mga pagbabago sa ACO program. Sino ang dapat mag-comply? Mga retirement pensioner na naninirahan sa Pilipinas na 80 taong gulang pataas. Sino pa? Mga retirement pensioner na naninirahan sa labas ng Pilipinas. Mga total disability pensioner. Mga death survivorship pensioner. Mga dependent children na nasa ilalim ng guardianship. Okay? Who else? Schedule ng or what else? Schedule ng pag-apply ng AKOP. Ano mga schedule to? Retirement at total disability pensioner, buwan ng kapanganakan ng pensioner. Okay. Next one, death or survivor pensioner, buwan ng kapanganakan ng namatay na miyembro. Sino pa? Dependent children under guardianship, buwan ng kapanganakan ng miyembro, namatay na miyembro. So, yun yung mga kailangan, no? Mga pagbabago. Alright, so panawagan sa mga SSS pensioners. So ano na natin to kanina na March 2024 effectivity nito. Okay? So yun lang po at sana antabayan na natin at naintindihan. Kung hindi man, paki-comment yan sa ating comment section pag hindi mo naintindihan ang ating explanation today about sa pagbabago ng AKOP or Annual Confirmation of Pensioners sa SSS. Okay, so pakitandaan natin, effective ito March 2024. All right? All right, so have a wonderful day and stay safe, everyone.